Okay, so I couldn't wait. This has just come in the post. I have a fairly good idea what it is, but I want to unwrap it just to have a look. I'm not going to do anything other than just unwrap it and have a look. It's a birthday present. Happy birthday to me, and thank you for people who just, my missus who bought me this, and thank you to all you people out there who are continuing to watch and who have subscribed recently. Much appreciated. Let's try and get this channel growing, as they say, and we'll open this up and let you have a look. So I've just started to cut my way through this tape. There's nothing like a good unboxing, and of course especially when it's for yourself. Let me get in there slowly. Very shiny box. Okay, here we have it. Aoocci or Aoocci C6 series motorcycle CarPlay screen. So that's what we've got in the box, and at some stage we're going to open this up, we're going to have a great look at it, and we're going to fit it to the KTM Super Duke GT. Okay, so looking forward to that. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. Hello and welcome back. So we just did that quick unboxing and we found out that in the box was the Aoocci C6 CarPlay system. And what we're going to do now is get the thing out and just lay all the pieces out, see what we've got, and then we'll decide what we're going to do from there. So initially, let's try and get this out of the box without doing too much damage. Okay, so that's that. And then it's very well packaged, this quality stuff, quality boxes and stuff with this. Oh, so this is the unit itself. We've seen all this before. There's been loads of unboxings and stuff of this, so I'm not going to go mad through it all. Okay, we'll just do our best to get everything out and see that we've got everything here that we're supposed to have. So I'll take this out of there. That can go in there for now. And okay, so this has come like this with no back on it. So obviously then you've got to put your own back on. It has got the little screen protector on it, but I'm going to leave that in that thing for now. Like I say, we're just making sure we've got everything here that we should have. So that's that, the unit. Mounting system, and probably not what I was looking for. I did actually send a message to Aoocci saying that I would have liked the connector for the ball mounts, and it looks like I've been given the connector for the handlebar to ball mount. I was going to go ball mount to ball mount, and whether it's in here or not I don't know, but it doesn't look like it. So we have two cameras, so they look all right. We have the thing for fastening it to your handlebars. Then we've got these two tyre pressure monitoring valves I don't know whether I'm going to use them. I'm probably not going to use them because I've already got that on the KTM. You guys with the KTM Super Duke GT will know that that comes up anyway. Okay, so that looks like some kind of a bracket. Not certain. Spacers for bracket or whatever. Okay, so that is the kind of the ball mount. It's a different size, I believe. It looks a little bit smaller than the one that I've got on there. But anyway, ball mount, so that's going to go on there. Then we've got sticky pads and connectors for the lights. Yeah, so that looks all right. And then we've got our power. So this is going, obviously, battery, or what I'm going to do is put that to Thunderbox, which makes life a lot easier. If you've not seen my video on the Thunderbox, go back and have a look at that. It'll give you an idea of how we're going to fix that on. And then that end obviously goes into that red one. This is the remote controller, so that's what that's for. So that thing fits on there and that goes on your handlebars somewhere. We may or may not use that. I'll decide when we get the thing set up whether it's going to be usable or not usable. And then it looks like we've got camera wire because they're yellow, and I'm presuming front and rear. And then the black one is for power. So that, oh, that's the USB to power, which I'm going to be able to use hopefully, because I'm going to try and put some kind of a logo on there. I've seen it done and I'm hopefully going to be able to do it. So that'll help when it comes to just powering that up and getting that done. There's the sunshade. So that's for that, for the 2 days a year when we have the sun. Okay, nicely done. 64 gig SD card. So that's good. That's nice to see. You don't often get that. And then a little operation guide. Now the only thing really that I'm missing here that I wish I had was the connector that goes on that and then fits onto the ball mount that I've already got on the bike. I did ask for that, but I think lost in translation. So that's everything there that I think we need. The next job is, at some stage, I'll get all these out of the packets and we'll start, once I've got the unit with the logo that I want to put on there, once I've got that sorted, we'll then look about mounting that and then running all the wires to the cameras and a bit of fun. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you've enjoyed that little bit just to show you what I'm up to. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss the next version of this when we go to put it on the bike, then hit that little bell and that'll notify you when the next video comes up. Okay, thanks very much for watching and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.